Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with spreadsheets, you know things can get a little bit cluttered, but don't worry because today I'm going to show you exactly how to merge cells in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to tidy up your tables, create beautiful headers, and make your data so much easier to read. And best of all, it's a quick and easy process, even if you're brand new to Google Sheets. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Google Sheet and select the cells you want to merge. This might be two cells, a whole row, or even a block of cells, depending on what you're trying to accomplish. Just click and drag your mouse over the cells you want. For example, let's say you want a nice big title across the top of your table, just highlight those top cells. If you're on a mobile device, tap the first cell and drag those little blue dots to cover your range. Take your time here and double check you've selected exactly what you need, because once you merge cells, you can't split them back into their original values unless you undo right away. Now let's move to the next step. Look up at the top toolbar in Google Sheets and you'll see a set of icons. The one you want looks like two rectangles merging together. That's the merge icon. If you hover your mouse over it, a little tooltip will pop up that says merge cells. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes, especially on smaller screens, it might be tucked under the format menu. Just click format and then you'll see the merge cells option in the dropdown. This is where all the magic happens. Once you click the merge icon or the merge cells option, a small menu will appear in here, where you can customize how your cells come together. You might see three options: merge all, merge vertically, and merge horizontally. Each one works a bit differently. Merge all takes whatever cells you've selected and combines them into one big rectangular cell, great if you're making a title or a big label that spans across your sheet. Merge horizontally will join only the cells in each row you've selected so you can keep your columns separated. Merge vertically will combine only the cells in each column, keeping your rows intact. Think of it a bit like making a quilt. Do you want one big square or a long strip? Choose the one that fits your needs best. After you decide, just click on your chosen merge option. That's it, you'll see the cells instantly merge together and your content will be centered in that new larger cell. It really is that quick, but here's a helpful tip. If your selected cells had different content, Google Sheets will keep only the top left cell's value and ignore the rest. So make sure important information isn't accidentally erased in the process. If you make a mistake, just hit undo or press Ctrl+Z, and you're right back where you started, no harm done. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to merge cells in Google Sheets, and now your spreadsheets can look cleaner and more professional. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more tips like this. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.